Welcome to day 29 of our May Research Challenge. We're almost there, fam. Just a few more days and you wrapped up your May challenge. Let's finish off with a bang. Some mornings, it's not your to-do list that's weighing you down. It's your hips, tight, locked, and silently holding yesterday's stress. But what if 5 minutes could help you move with power again? Let's hit the mat. Start kneeling, tops of your feet flat, knees about hip-width apart. Now sit your hips back onto your heels, then squeeze your glutes and drive up to tall kneeling. Simple? Maybe, but this is how we wake up the engine of your entire lower body. Your hips have been offline all night, and this is the first move that brings them back online. I promise this move reboots your posture and builds glute strength without stress. Beginners use a pillow under the knees for extra cushion. Advanced stretches add a light hip thrust at the top. Squeeze hard for a second. Did you know that if your hips are weak, your spine has to overwork all day? And if you're sitting at a desk later, this move just saves your back. Let's open what we've now activated. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left knee down, lift your right arm and twist toward the front leg. Hips drop, chest lifts, spine spirals. This isn't just about flexibility, it's connection. The hip flexor meets the spine, and when they open together, energy flows again. I promise this move will release tension in places you didn't even realize were clenched. Beginners keep the hand on the thigh. Advanced stretches reach that top arm further back and deepen the twist. Feel that space in your side body? That's your breath saying thank you. Let's balance it out. Now step your left foot forward, same setup, same intention, but watch how this side tells a different story. Every imbalance in your body will show up here, and that's a good thing, because what we reveal, we can realign. Do you feel that deep tug through the front of the hip and up into your ribs? If not, breathe deeper, melt into it. Hold this just 5 seconds longer. You're shifting more than just your muscles. You're shifting momentum. That just opened up your spine. Now let's stabilize the hips. Come to all fours, core braced, lift your right knee out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. Control the lift, slow the drop. This is a wake-up call for your glutes. If you're someone who walks into meetings before your body's even fully awake, this move changes that. I promise, activating your glutes here sets the tone for better movement all day. Beginners keep the range small and slow. Advanced stretches hold at the top for a second before lowering. Can you keep your hips square while lifting higher? Because we're not done yet. Left side, let's even the score. This side might feel less coordinated. That's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Do you feel that shaky burn kicking in? That's stability being rebuilt. And once your hips are strong, your body can carry more with less strain. Let's take that strength and flow with it. Stay in a low kneeling position or a deep squat. Now begin to gently roll your hips in a semicircle, reverse direction, halfway through. This is control, not chaos. Most people never learn how to move their hips with intention. That's why they ache later. I promise, this move builds control where your body often lives in compensation. Beginners use a wall or chair for balance. Advanced switches, close your eyes and focus purely on the movement sensation. Here's the challenge. Can you keep the motion smooth for 5 more seconds without speeding up? That's your mind syncing up with your hips. Now for the final move. Let's play a little game. Stand tall, exhale. Hinge from the hips, folding forward. Let your head hang, knees soft, spine decompressing. This is your body's daily reset switch. I promise, this stretch lengthens your back line, decompresses your spine, and drains stress from your nervous system. Beginners keep knees bent and hands on chins. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and sway gently side to side. Now here's the fun part. Can you stay here, eyes closed, for 10 full seconds without fidgeting? Stillness is strength to you. This isn't just a stretch, it's a statement. You showed up, you reset, now let's seal it. Tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. It's all delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.